how to turn off two-factor authentication in your Facebook account. So if you find this video helpful, please the subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are uploads here. So we are here on our Facebook account. Click or tap on that three lines and go to settings, or tap on that gear icon above. Once you are here, you can easily find the settings by clicking on the search button right here and then type in security. Once you type in, choose password and security. So you will be read right here. So as you can see, there is two-factor authentication. Just type in your password, and then since I don't have a two-factor authentication, there will be some setups for me. But if you did, you can turn it off easily by clicking on that. So going back later on the, so I will be here on setting up. So if you go back after going to the two authentication factor, you will be prompted that you can delete or disable it by unchecking this one. So I hope this tutorial helps, and thank you for watching.